Dear Maths Methods team, I'm going to attempt to show you some corrections using MAZCOM, and I'm going to try and do it without the stylus because I know some don't have the stylus yet. So, but I will show you the stylus at the end as well. So if we go into classes and Maths Methods, and I scroll down to the task that we're working on. Look, the practice sack. Turns out that someone submitted it. That's fantastic. Let's imagine they were all submitted, or most were submitted. You'd click the three dots and you'd view status, just like you do when you're putting your marks in here for everyone else. Jamie would have something submitted, and you'd start with the first one there, and you'd view and grade his submission, and then click to the class. Turns out that Jamie doesn't have anything submitted, but Philip does. I can tell that by this. So, I click the three dots and I view and grade his submission. Up comes the Cami tool. Give it a second to load. Here she comes. Now, I've already made some discoveries. Do I want to view it as a whole page, or do I want to view it as a part page? And my major discovery is I'm going to be doing this on my big screen. Absolutely, definitely. I'm going to view it as a whole page on my big screen. Although that may give me problems marking it up. Actually, having said that, I'm just going to have to play around and work it out. Here it is. There's a couple of things I can choose to do. I can use this little thing here and flip that to the other side, or leave it there. I can use this thing to open up and see all the pages and click between the pages. Not sure why I'd need to, but anyway, there's a few things like that. Here's the page. I still haven't used the pen. I'm just clicking with my mouse. I might need to make some comments. So I'm going to mark up the page. I've found that the way that if I use the highlighter here, that tends to highlight text. And in a maths exam or maths thing, that's type stuff that's already there. So I don't really want to do that. By the way, if I want to get rid of that, just point to it and hit the rubbish bin. It's gone away. This box highlighter works pretty well. Not very happy with that line of text, Philip, so I'm going to highlight it. Now I might want to comment on that line of text. For example, comment. I could just do text comment. Let's just do that. Text comment is turned on. I come next to it and I click. And now I can type a text. Now I could type in there, great work, or I could type in there. I'll get rid of that. I've still got text coming on, so I just got to click somewhere else, like this. Up it comes. I could have typed in there, you didn't substitute correctly. If I wanted to. By the way, I might just be marking this page, in which case I could have that comment box on and click that, type 1, enter, click the next one. That's worth 2 marks, enter, click the next one. Oh, you got 1 for that, enter. And if I didn't want to do that and I just wanted to look at the whole page and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep, that's 7 out of 7. Down the bottom next to the mark, and remember on our sack we're going to have the marks for the page, I just go click, you got 7 for that, and move on to the next one. So I can do it as quick as that. And look, all these comments, I don't want them, so I'll just get rid of them, like that. And in fact, that highlighter I don't want, so I'll just point to it and hit the arrow, hit the rubbish bin. Here's another thing I can do. I want to comment on, I don't have to highlight, but I might box highlight this again and say, put it in red for argument's sake. We've got to select the red first, so I want to box highlight that. That's now pink. Okay, so I want to comment on those. I then go to comment, get a load of this, text comment, click next to that, but click this. Well, I thought that was pretty good work, Philip, except that you did not correctly substitute. Voice to text recognition. Oh my God. Now that makes it easy. Who needs a stylus? I'm just going to end that. Now, you could, if you had the whole page up, make one audio and speak. And you don't even have to click the text box and do text to recognition. You could do it another way. I'm going to make one audio comment for this page. I'll just click there. There's my audio pod. Philip, your first page was good. I'm correcting as I go. Question 1's okay. Question 2's okay. Question 3, you just mucked up with that gradient. You should have put the -2 before the whatever. Question 4's a 5, 6 okay. Question 7's okay. You've done a really good page. I'm giving you 7 marks out of 7. Finish. Finish. What have I got to do? Stop. Hit the stop. Sorry, you got to hit the stop. Okay. That was 25 seconds of talking, and I talked about the whole page. So, have the whole page viewable. Probably the best thing. Maybe don't use the pen at all. Just click on a voice comment, and I think changing voice to text is magnificent. Can go so much quicker than typing it. Or audio for the whole page, and then down the bottom I might then put it on there and just go click, you got 6, and move on. And I might keep it running tally on the side of what, or at the end I could just flick through all the pages and count it up, but it's probably easy to keep a running tally. If you do have a stylus, you hit this one here, drawing. Drawing in red, tick, 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 cross, hopeless. My typing's not good because I haven't turned it around into tablet mode, so I turn it around into tablet mode. So that's what you can do if you've got the drawing tool, if you've got a pen. But I think I've demonstrated to people without a pen that it's not a problem. In fact, it's fantastic. Text, voice to text is magnificent. Scroll to the bottom of this very long, because Philip, being a great kid, did a whole lot of stuff. Going right down here. I've added up as I go along. He got 84 probably. I could put another comment there, but really that's redundant because I've put comments all over the thing. And I continue, or I publish and continue. Continue just takes me to the next kid. Publish and continue will put the mark up. Probably with Saxon things, we're not going to publish. We're going to wait until it's all done. So I just continue on to the next kid. Problem is, no one else has submitted, so nothing comes up. If he had submitted, his work would just come up, or I could go here and I could grade and I'd continue. Hope that gives you lots of ideas about marking in MAZCOM, and I think you'll agree that it's got lots of potential.